Hi Lila, I hope you're doing well today. Before we begin any tasks, let's remember to make sure that our area is clear and safe and we're not going to run into anything or trip over anything. Okay Lila, next we're going to be working on sliding. Do you remember sliding? Yeah? When we're sliding, I want us to remember to keep our body sideways, not facing forward, right? Sideways, not facing forward. Okay, Lila, next we're gonna work on sliding. Now for sliding, it's important to remember to keep our body facing sideways, not facing forward. We're not facing the same way we do when we walk. We're facing sideways. Can you do some sideways poses with me? We can do a big step sideways and make a V with our legs. Or we can do a little step sideways and make a little V with our legs. Or we can do many hops sideways this way, many hops sideways this way. We can do 1, 2, go sideways like this. Can you do some different positions facing sideways? All right, now we're just gonna work on a little shuffle. So I'm gonna start over here and I'm just gonna shuffle, 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 shuffle this way. And then I'm gonna shuffle, 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 shuffle this way. Can you try it? All right, let's do it one more time. Ready? Little shuffles, little shuffles, little shuffles. Okay, Lila, for this next activity, you're gonna need to get a friend, a parent, a big friend, someone who you can link arms with and travel in a circle. Remember when we're sliding, we're not walking forward, we're sideways. So my big friend Carly's gonna help me. We're gonna pretend that there's a tree right in the middle of us and we're moving around the tree in a circle. Circle around the tree, around, and we're not gonna touch the tree, and we're gonna shuffle our feet sideways. Just like that. Now I want you to go try that with your big friend. Sounds good. Okay, Lila, those are all the tasks that we're doing for this activity. You can go practice some more and get really good at them. Great job.
Let's review. It's important to say sideways, not forward, and travel around and around the trees.